Hi friends, so I know it's been a while and if you stick around I have some explaining to do, but today I want to come to you and get this head together. I'm sick of looking crusty busty. To look presentable, but it's hot in Georgia now and that's not gonna work. What I want to do was the trendy style is the Alicia Keys braids. I just realized I didn't have enough hair, so when it's time to go pick up my son, I might have to go get some more braiding hair. But this will be my first time doing this style on my hair and adding extensions, so we will see if it makes it to the if it makes it to YouTube. Then I guess I like it, or I need to quit BSing myself and just put it up there anyway. So we'll see. Come to you guys when I make some progress. I want these two sides to be, I wouldn't say identical, but identical, and then have like my, okay, so hopefully it's going to be 4, 4, 4 in each of them. So I just have it mapped out so far. Doesn't look like my part's even, but I'm not gonna stress about it, because if I stress about it, I'm not gonna end up doing it. So I'm gonna do the middle part first. See, I don't film enough. I did half of my hair, well, most of my hair. This should be only like 4 braids to do right here. I did most of my hair and didn't come back, but I'm gonna keep styles like this in for the summer, because 1, I go swimming a lot in the summer, and then 2, I can't be dealing with my hair. And that's the easiest way to go through depression with me. If my hair is not done, yeah. So I'm glad I did this to know I can do it. But I did take a break. I picked my son up from school, did a couple of errands. But so I just finished this part, and then I was like, oops, I forgot I was supposed to film. So I'm gonna do this part and basically just show you guys how I've been doing it. That's why this is braided up, because I had to put a hat on and everything. And I know my parts is not everything, but I feel like it looks really good. And then when I mousse it and all that, I'm really pleased with it. And I didn't have to pay anyone to do my hair. So a win is a win. So I'm just basically gonna try to follow this pattern, the same pattern. I just have 4 braids left over here. I take this mirror and I spin around and I see, I try to see if I got a good part. And that's good enough for me, child. Because if I worry about these parts, I will be stuck. So I feel like it's too much hair though. And I'm not the one to try to teach anyone how to braid. I actually use this on my son's hair, this the BTL in the pink, because I think they have different kinds. I use that on my son's hair and it lasts him for a while. But my son's hair is nothing like mine. His hair is amazing. I'm not saying mine's not, but his hair is amazing. Woo!
Yeah.
All right, so this is the finishing look. I actually forgot to film my ending of this video, so I had to steal it from another video that didn't make it on YouTube. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think.
Basically just came on here so you can see my new braids. That's it. Do you like it? New hair? New me?
If you guys like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be sure to make sure I continue to post them. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Alicia and I post fashion, and I do feel like fashion consists of beauty and of course my lifestyle. So fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you're interested in seeing more of me, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.